Hey beauties, and welcome to Dominique's Vanity Corner. And today I want to share with you this super cute wig that I found on a TikTok shop, and it's also available on Amazon. Now this is the Sensational Half Wig Instant Weave Drawstring Cap in the color 2, and I instantly fell in love. I love a good wig that looks natural, and this has a kinkiness to it, and of course the curls are beautiful. And the wig does come with a few clips inside along with a drawstring, which I love because no matter how big or small your head is, you can adjust it. So I did leave some hair out, but I felt like I left too much. So I am going to take the wig off and then put the wig back on top of the hair. And now I'm going to just pull out just a little bit of hair around the perimeter. That way I don't have to worry too much about blending. Because not only do I want a cute style, I want to protect my hair. So this is my protective style, minimum leave out, minimum heat. But of course, the beauty of long and beautiful hair. And this wig is synthetic, guys, really synthetic, but you can use up to 400 degrees of heat on it, just an FYI. And next, I am using a temporary hair color. This is Red by Kiss, and it's called Temptation in the color dark brown. And you can use any temporary hair color. I like to use this to make sure that my hair blends in seamlessly with the wig and that there's no spacing or gaps. I find that if I press my hair, it can appear thin even though my hair isn't thin, but compared to the wig, it looks thin. So this is what the guys do, y'all. They spray their hairline, and I just took that tip from them. So I'm going to spray my hairline too, so it can look very, very thick and seamless. You won't be able to tell. Well, I hope you won't be able to tell that I have a wig on. And here I am adjusting the wig to make sure that the clips inside the wig are hooked onto my braids and that the wig feels and looks super secure. And next I'm using the Sheet is Bomb wax stick, and I prefer this over edge control because edge control can give you a sleek look, and I'm going for more of a natural look, and this does that job for me. And next, this is optional. I'm using a holding spray for my end so there's no flyaway, and also anti-humidity spray just in case my hair wants to revert back to its natural state. And the final steps here is just to play around with it until it looks as natural as possible. It is a wig, so it can look wiggy, so I'm just trying to flatten it and comb it down so it can look as natural as possible. I think straight out the box or straight out the package, this is the first time I've worn a wig, and I think it looks really, really great. I wanted something that was super cute and I didn't have to style it, and I can have just a little bit of hair out, and I did not want lace because I don't know how to lay that lace down. And I think this gave me the results that I was looking for. It gives like a weave look straight out the salon, but easy that you can do at home. Overall, for a synthetic wig and for a wig beginner, I highly recommend. That drawstring is going to be your best friend because who wants to worry about measuring? And if you are okay with a little bit of leave out, it makes it look even natural. I'm just not a lace person, and I love this look. This is the weaves that we used to wear in the 2000s, okay? This is the mama's wig. So if you have any questions, please leave them below. Or if you've worn this wig, I would love to know. I am going to review more wigs. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also be sure to subscribe. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.